Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Vespa Fix and Fun. Today I'm going to show you and review the product from our good friend supporter Northern Scooters Hamburg that support me a lot of equipment all the time that I use the Vespa from my non-home country. Now I'm living in Europe and he sent it through the Germany. This is the Series Pro Vespa Engine Stand that most suitable for the all large frame, vintage frame and also small frame who want to do a DIY project on your Vespa at home or garage or any project. This product is very recommend to have, and today I'm going to show you all detail how to set up, how to install and how it mount with your engine, and let's check it out from my clip. So let's take a look with the detail of this Vespa engine mount stand for you to install. So this two part is for the base leg of the engine stand that not bend left and right. Another thing is mounting for the chassis size, and the last piece is to mount the engine stand with the shock absorber side. So the installation is very easy. Just use simple Allen key and one socket piece. So I'm going to install and show you now. Okay, and next I'm going to show you how to put the engine on the mounting. First of all, you have to be careful that you have a long bolt that connect to the engine, to the chassis of the Vespa, because it's not included with the kit, but it comes with the shock absorber side. So you have to prepare. For me, just to show you, so I just to use the wrong flathead screwdriver and some backup of bolts. So I'm going to put the engine now. The technique to put easily for you if you work alone is to put the engine mount on the vertical up like this, and then you just lift off the engine. It's quite heavy, like this. Okay, and this is it. After fight with it for some couple minutes, the engine is mounted on the engine Vespa stand. And this engine mount is very good because you adjust to do your work up and down easily. I'm going to show you, like you can lie like this to disassembly all the carburetor part, and also this side to do with the electric part, and disassembly the engine by use these two knob locks. So this is it. And in Northern Scooters Hamburg shop, we provide you a very special price of this engine mount to you and send throughout Europe, shipping worldwide if you're interested, and it costs only 69 euro for this piece, and it's very useful. So I will leave the website that you can buy it in Northern Scooters Hamburg on the description below under the clip, and I hope you enjoy with your Vespa. See you next clip. Bye bye.